Okay, this problem reads, a cleaner pushes a 4.5 kilogram cart in such a way that the net force exerted on that cart is 60 newtons. What is its acceleration? Okay, so the object that we are interested in is that cart. So if we just draw a picture, here's our worker, and they're pushing that cart along the floor. All right, it tells us that the net force on that cart is 60 newtons. And we know, according to Newton's second law, that that net force is equal to the mass of the object times the acceleration. So in this case, we are given the mass of the object is 4.5, and we want to know what that acceleration is. So divide that 4.5 on both sides, and we find that the acceleration of the cart's magnitude is 13.2 meters per second. So recognizing that the sum of the forces, the net force is given in this problem, is equal to the mass times the acceleration of that object. We're given the object's mass, so to find the magnitude of that acceleration, we just use Newton's second law. All right, good job.